Hello everyone, this is Andrew Martino. So normally I have videos of like Corvettes and Chevy Cruzes and Lexuses and stuff like that, but um, things that I do outside of that is computers. And I just wanted to show like a unboxing video. Um, I've been waiting and waiting and waiting, and I finally bought a graphics card from NVIDIA. It's an RTX 3090. Um, I did pay more than MSRP. Not a whole lot, but I did. And that was caused by scalpers. Now, we all know that scalpers are assholes. They suck. Um, they buy up everything, and then they take advantage of people who actually just want to game and do other things to pay higher prices to make an extra buck. I get it. Scalpers, that's how they make money. But I just wish there was a better way that Best Buy or NVIDIA controlled the amount per person purchased. I mean, what person needs more than 2 per month or whatever? So I think they could probably have some better ways of doing that. But anyways, let's get to the card. I got the EVGA for the Win 3 Ultra 3090 RTX. It's a beast. In this video, I'm just gonna unpackage it like a noob, and then I'm gonna install it on my computer, and then we're gonna run just a benchmark out of the box, no overclocking, no nothing like that, on 3D Mark. I'll do the Port Royal, which is what everyone seems to do their RTX testing on. And it'll just be a short video of that. So, here it is. Ta-da-da! This thing. It's a beast. Alright, let's open this thing up, because, you know, I've been waiting forever because the United Postal Service is very slow. So it took over a week to get here from California, and I'm in Wisconsin. So, yeah, you can do the math there. And it was, I believe it was priority. So, here's the box. There's a box inside the box. Woo. And that's right there. So inside here is this black box, which NVIDIA graphics cards usually have something like this. My 2080 Ti had the same thing. It's like a big black box, opens up. It's all fancy looking. I guess if you're spending lots and lots of money, they better make it look nice. I've had 1080 Ti's in SLI. I actually had 6 of them for mining, but I had those. Those were expensive. I had a 2080 Ti that I sold to get this card. That was expensive. And this one is priced with the scalper tax close to a Titan, like the like a 20 series Titan. Anyways, so here we are. Got the foam and everything. In this front pocket here, we have this sweet metal. It's like a little decal, but it's actually raised in 3D. It's a little EVGA one. In here, we have a retention bracket, which is probably for extra support because it's such a heavy card. On my test bench, I don't need that because it's vertical, but for anyone with a case, I would assume this would come in handy. Then you have this like itty bitty little booklet here that says GeForce GTX RTX. Interesting, from EVGA, and this is all of my warranty stuff and operating system and kind of how to put the power in it and everything. I'm pretty sure this one has a 3 8-pin connector on it, which shouldn't be that bad because I have a EVGA 1600 watt power supply, platinum, so that should be fine. So there's this little cutout here, and like all the other cards, and here it is. You know, it's not that big. I was expecting something a lot bigger. Holy crap. That thing is heavy. We're gonna get to that. Is there anything down here? Nothing else. So it literally comes with nothing other than the little bracket thing. Now the cool thing about these aftermarket cards is that they have normal 8-pin connectors instead of the new 12-pin that you have to daisy chain. Alright. Do not enter without proper electrostatic safety equipment. Alrighty. Oh. I have to say this is probably the heaviest card I've ever held. Wow. So there it is. EVGA GeForce RTX 3090 for the win 3. Wow. So it looks like it's about a triple. It's about a triple size here. And these 3090s are also wider. You can see that here's like, normally when you have a video card, this plate here is on the outside here, but the 3090s are huge, so they stick out like another 1.5 inches. So you really have to make sure that you have a case big enough. Oh, a peel. What's this? Very nice. Let's see if we can get this peel. Trying to do a peel here. Okay. Oh yeah, failing that life here. Yeah, whatever. It's serrated over here on the top, so it's not making a complete peel. Oh, very nice. I guess Linus and Steve, not so much Steve from Gamers Nexus, and Jay's 2 cents would probably laugh at me for that peel. Oh, there's even ones on the fan. Get those off. Yeah, I'm not a professional unboxer. I just watch people do it. You can also notice that the fans are all the same size on this. And if you look closely, so here it is. Here's the back plate. It's a nice plastic back plate. You can actually see right through there. There's a pass-through design, just like the RTX 3090 reference card. Here's that giant heat pipe array over here. 3 fans. They all say they have the EVGA E on the fan blades. That's real nice. That's real nice. So there is, I believe that this lights up. Not sure. Shows it in the box. It looks like a chrome. I don't know how that would show up RGB, but... And then, of course, the last of the dying race right here is the NVLink. So if I wanted to go SLI, which I plan on, I can add another card. Although, before I do that, I'm going to get a better system. I'm currently running the, I got a 8700K Intel that's running at 5 gigahertz. I got a Cooler Master 360 water cooler. I got Trident Z 3200 megahertz RAM and 32 gigabytes. NVMe 2 and M.2 little hard drives. I got 2 of them, and I have the Gigabyte Aorus or Oris. I don't know, something or another Pro Wi-Fi. So that's good. So anyways, here's the card. Looks pretty cool. The next scene you're gonna see is me powering it up on my computer, and we're gonna do some benchmarks. So hang tight. All right, so I'm back. So I got the card installed right here. It's on my Primo Chill test bench, the Praxis wet bench. So I just wanted to make sure I told you guys this, that it's very important that you use 3 separate power cables for your video card here, because it could possibly draw up to 500 watts, and that's over the 2 cable limit. So no daisy chaining or anything like that, just 3 straight off of the rail. And these won't even fit. Alright, let's try to get, maybe I have to do it from the front. This way? Yeah. We're having little technical difficulties here. Alright. Oh. Alright, I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back. So we got the cables. They're a little short, so that was kind of a bummer. I'll let you guys look at this. So yeah, we got 3 cords there. So what I'm going to do, start this thing up. Ooh. Ah. RGB. Barf glow. I'll reroute these better later on. So there it is, it's booting up. And I actually have to change my BIOS, because I believe if I just log into Windows, it's gonna bypass my video card. Alright. So it says NVIDIA control panel is not found. So I'm gonna install that. Just so you know, this is 4K. I have a 75-inch 4K TV. It's not the best for whatchamacallit, gaming, because of the latency, but it'll do. So click here. Get. A gigabit internet, so this shouldn't be that bad. Launch. Mm-hmm. Yes, I totally agree. Are not available. Okay. Let me do that. I got HDMI 2.1 connector here, so I should be able to... Oh, of course. I should be able to do 8K if I ever get an 8K monitor. I'm actually gonna come back to this. Okay, after an eternity of driver updates and settings changes and blah blah blah, I'm back. Alright, let's go to benchmarks, emulator. We're gonna go to Port Royale. Here's my video card. Okay. Yep, I'm never gonna get anywhere near these guys because they are running SLI. Alright. And I have to figure out why my music isn't playing. Okay, so it didn't run very good. It said invalid score, 13,320. And I'm pretty sure it's because something is enabled. So level of detail setting modified by NVIDIA drivers makes it not the correct score. So, thanks for watching. Next video, I promise, will be better. And, yeah, overall, I think it's pretty good. I think I have some settings here to change to optimize it fully. It looks really cool on the computer. And yeah, so I guess I'll catch you guys next time. Thanks. Bye.